Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete all Facebook page posts. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser over at your mobile device. Once on your internet browser, you are now going to search for business.facebook.com. Go ahead, take your time. Once you find it, hit enter and wait for the website to finish loading. This might take some time, but don't worry. Once it loads, we'll get starting. It should be ready soon. Let's wait for it. Once you open your business.facebook.com, in here you need to look for this icon. In here, you will see all your Facebook page posts. Then all you have to do is check on the ones that you want to remove. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.